Tailor-made clothes. Tailor-made clothes. Tailor-made clothes. He prefers tailor-made clothes for a perfect fit. Stylish. 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 She always looks stylish in her outfits. Ready-made clothes. Ready-made clothes. Ready-made clothes. Most people buy ready-made clothes because they are convenient. On the catwalk. On the catwalk. On the catwalk. The model walked confidently on the catwalk. Old fashion. Old fashion. Old fashion. That dress looks a bit old-fashioned now. Off the peg. Off the peg. Off the peg. He usually buys off-the-peg suits. Must have. Must have. Must have. A little black dress is a must-have in every wardrobe. Mix and match. Mix and match. Mix and match. She knows how to mix and match clothes stylishly. Hand-me-downs. 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 He used to wear his brother's hand-me-downs. Fashion show. Fashion show. Fashion show. The new collection was introduced at a fashion show. Fashion icon. Fashion icon. Fashion icon. Audrey Hepburn is considered a fashion icon. Fashion houses. Fashion houses. Fashion houses. Chanel is one of the most famous fashion houses. Fashionable. 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 She always wears fashionable clothes. Express themselves, express themselves, express themselves. People use fashion to express themselves. Dressed to kill, dressed to kill, dressed to kill. She was dressed to kill at the party. Designer label, designer label, designer label. He only buys clothes with a designer label. Classic style, classic style, classic style. She prefers a classic style over trendy fashion. Casual clothes, casual clothes, casual clothes. I like to wear casual clothes on weekends. Slave to fashion, slave to fashion, slave to fashion. She buys every new trend because she's a slave to fashion. Louis Vuitton, Louis Vuitton, Louis Vuitton. She bought a Louis Vuitton handbag on her trip to Paris. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. His sunglasses are from Gucci. Hermès, Hermès, Hermès. She dreams of owning an Hermès Birkin bag. Prada, Prada, Prada. He bought a pair of Prada shoes for the event. Chanel, Chanel, Chanel. Chanel No. 5 is one of the most famous perfumes in the world. Ralph Lauren, Ralph Lauren, Ralph Lauren. He wore a Ralph Lauren polo shirt to the party. Burberry, Burberry, Burberry. She loves her classic Burberry trench coat. Versace, Versace, Versace. The dress she wore was designed by Versace. Armani, Armani, Armani. He bought an Armani suit for his wedding. Christian Dior, Christian Dior, Christian Dior. She wore a Christian Dior gown at the gala. Dolce and Gabbana, Dolce and Gabbana, Dolce and Gabbana. His perfume is from Dolce and Gabbana. Nike, Nike, Nike. He always wears Nike sneakers when he goes jogging.